Did we just get a rally on AMC? Yes, we did. AMC is like the guy your mom told you to be careful with. He just keeps coming back and back. Right when you least expect it, there he is, right? So AMC just rallied from $5.90 all the way to $6.58. Guys, this is institutions at work. This is the banks buying into AMC at the exact price where you can make some money and you can make some profit. Now, you remember yesterday I said that AMC, if it rallies again, it can go to about $6.57. Now, you may be wondering, is this AMC rally going to continue? And from a technical standpoint, there are a variety of reasons why this AMC rally can continue for at least one day. Now, here's the problem. People are going to think AMC is going to keep going up for multiple days, but there's no telling whether that's actually the case. Instead, you should be thinking about AMC as a possible trade, as something that might go up tomorrow, but then I wouldn't expect it to go up for much longer than that, and I'll show you why as well. But my name is Coach Koda. I am a technical trader. I'm an expert of technical analysis. Every single video that I posted has resulted in winning trades for the watchers. That's you right now. My channel is to help you become a profitable trader. I'm your day trading coach. This stock, AMC, is a stock we've been watching for a long time. We said in our video yesterday that this stock can rally from $6 to $6.58. The high of the chart is $6.68. So we got what we wanted. We could sell for some profit. That's a nice 10% right there from $6 to 68 cents. Now, what is 10%? Well, 10% basically means if you invested $1,000 into the stock market, into AMC, then that means you would make 10% of that $1,000, which would mean that you would make $100. Now, if you are investing $10,000 into AMC, then that means that today, if you listen to the call out, then you would make $1,000. Okay, so it's very simple, very straightforward. Basically, if you buy and sell stocks at good times, if you follow the plan, if you watch and you subscribe and you click the notification bell so that you don't miss the trades before they happen, then you can make consistent money. None of this is financial advice. It's for educational purposes only. But AMC at $6 rallied to our profit target at $6.58. Now, where can AMC go next? That's what a lot of people want to know. And now I'm going to teach you about something called cause and effect. Okay, cause and effect in stock trading is one of the universal principles which I teach and which you're going to learn about right now. The law of cause and effect basically means that the stock, based on how long it's been at a certain price level, it will rally for about that same amount. Now, we've had about 8 hours. Okay, so I calculated it, and we have about 8 hours of buildup on AMC. Okay, so about 8 hours of buildup, which means that we usually get anywhere from 8 to 12 hours of rally, meaning that AMC will likely pull back to about $6.35 before it actually continues any kind of rally. Okay, so I don't think it's going to go up right away, but there's a few factors that we have in our favor which can really help us. Okay, there's a few factors that all technical traders look for, all the good ones, especially me, and that is the strength of the market, right? The strength of the market. Now, we are up in our pro Discord, so if you actually click the link in the description, you can join the Discord for free. We have a pro Discord where we give winning trades, where we are up actually 55% today, trading a select few secret stocks, which I will now reveal to you. So we traded a stock called BBAI. So BBAI right here, this stock we traded, we bought this stock back when it was about $2.70. Today it rallied to $3.44, resulting in a 35% increase. So that's $3,500 you could have made. We traded another stock, a stock called GNS right here. This one rallied from $2 all the way to $4. So yeah, you could have doubled your money there. We traded another stock, and that stock was DM, Desktop Metal. Now, Desktop Metal was another awesome stock that we traded. We got this one around 190, and it rallied to 240, so it was another 25% increase for you. So we do a lot of winning trades in the pro community and very few losing trades. Almost every trade that we take is a winner, and not just a winner, but a banger, like 25 to 100% increases per stock. So if you like doubling your money, make sure to join the Discord. But this is somewhat besides the point of what I want you to learn today. So yes, you can make money instantly joining the pro Discord, but I also want you to realize that AMC is likely going to go up at least a little bit more, but it needs to rest. Okay, it needs to rest. So AMC is likely not going to move very much in the next few trading days, if not for at least one day on Monday. And it's going to take some time to kind of reset. So you can see it kind of start to come back down to 620, maybe all the way down to $6. Although if AMC comes all the way down to $6, that can be really bad, because AMC at $6 is a dangerous trade. So that basically means that the trend has ended and AMC may not trend anymore in the direction that you want it to trend. So of course you want AMC to trend in the upward direction, right? You want this one to go up. But if AMC does not trend in the upward direction and it comes all the way back down to $6, well, then that you have a problem, because that means that the AMC stock is not yet ready to rally. And unless it starts picking up again for a second rally, then AMC will be done. Okay, regardless of what kind of news comes out on AMC, regardless of what that guy Teddy Zane or any of these other stock traders who really don't know what they're doing tell you, you will lose money if you do not trade the AMC chart. Now, the AMC chart right now is fairly strong, but the overall stock market is strong. So it may be just attributed to that. I did expect at least a small rally on AMC, but now we're probably going to get some sideways movement, a pullback. So what does the pullback look like? It's going to look something like this, where it comes down and then it starts to kind of wiggle around right here around 620, and then hopefully, okay, if AMC shows some signs of strength, hopefully that will actually result in another rally, and AMC will hit our profit targets at 684, 744, and $7.94. Now these profit targets are good as gold. Every profit target that I talk about almost always hits. The AMC profit target that I gave you yesterday hit. The AMC profit target that I'm going to give you today, it's going to hit. But AMC needs to show some signs of strength, because like I said, right now, AMC is like a car that is out of fuel. You need the fuel back into the car before AMC can run again. So if you want to learn more about stock trading, if you want to learn how to trade professionally, I give tips here every single day. I actually upload videos every single day so that it not only helps you make money as you learn, but you also are able to learn my strategy and become a successful stock trader. Guys, I want you to be a successful stock trader. Too many traders are bag holders. They lose money left and right, and there's nothing that they can do to prevent themselves from losing all this money. So I want to turn that around. I want to give you the tools that you need in order to make money in the stock market, and that starts by trading the right stocks and selling them at the right time. AMC, watch it. Listen to what I told you about what AMC is likely to do and see if it comes true, because it usually does. See you guys in the next video.